Want to unlock a powerful way to reach your customers instantly? Let's dive into sending SMS messages using Wati. First, let's ensure your Wati account is correctly configured for SMS. Navigate to the Settings panel, usually located in the bottom left corner here. You'll need to configure your SMS provider settings by entering API keys or specific details for providers like Twilio or Plivo, depending on your preferred service. Next, let's move to actually sending a message. Head to the Broadcast or Send Message section, commonly found to the left sidebar. This is your hub for all outgoing messages, but today we tap into the SMS options. Here, populate the recipient's phone number, ensuring it's in the correct international format without any leading zeros. Then, craft your message in the text box below. Keep it concise and engaging. Consider using personalization tokens like their name for a customized touch and improved customer engagement. When creating your message, remember best practices. Each SMS message should have a clear call to action. For example, include a track order link or a reminder to book the next appointment. Finally, let's look at the data behind our messages. A huge benefit of using Wati is its reporting and analytics. After you've sent a few messages, check back in this screen to see what is or isn't working. And that's it. With Wati, you're now set to effectively send SMS notification reminders and important messages to your contacts to boost customer engagement. Don't forget to subscribe for more Wati tips and tricks.